In this session, we are going to be making these cute pencil toppers, and it's such an easy, fun craft to do. We're going to need a pom-pom, a chenille stem, of course a pencil, a pair of eyes, glue, and if the eyes are too small for you to put on the pom-pom, you can use a black marker and add the eyes. Okay, this is such a simple craft because we're going to start by putting glue onto our pom-pom where the eyes should be. And again, I put glue on the pom-pom and not on the eyes because the eyes are so tiny. It's going to be difficult to get those eyes, to get glue on those eyes. Okay, but you can also use a marker to mark your eyes. Okay, while that is drying, we're going to take our pencil. We're going to wrap the chenille stem around into half, and then we are going to twist it on the pencil. So you're going to get something looking like this. It's going to have a twist. Okay, now we're going to take another pencil and we're going to start rolling the chenille stem around it like so. Okay, and that's going to give us our curly arms. Okay, around the pencil. Just keep rolling it till you get to the very end, and that's going to give us these curly arms. Okay, now at this stage you can add another chenille stem, or you can just add your critter face. I'm going to add glue onto the middle area of that chenille stem like so, and then I'm going to stick my pom-pom right there. Now you do have to leave that to let it dry, but I think it would be very interesting writing with this pencil. I hope you have lots of fun making this craft. Remember to check us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and subscribe to our YouTube channel down below.